Živjo, sva Kristi in
Mihael.
In imamo za tebe eno veliko presenečenje. Kot veš, je Neale Donald Walsch naj zelo dober prijatelj. Tudi ti si moj dober prijatelj. Ampak Neale Donald Walsch je pa naj skupni dober prijatelj.
To se lahko kako se z Nealom.
In 3 leta nazaj smo v Sloveniji z njim ustvarili naravnost čudovit dogodek in točno 3 leta zatem bomo zadevo ponovili na spletu in naredili skupaj edinstven dogodek, ki bo odgovoril na začetku leta na številna vprašanja, kot kako premagati strahove, kako se soočiti s spremembami. Neale pa bo odgovarjal tudi na vaša vprašanja.
Neale je res izjemen človek, ne? In fajn ga je videti, ko kanalizira modrosti za ljudi. In 3 leta nazaj na dogodku v Sloveniji se je zgodila ena res zanimiva, smešna, navdihujoča interakcija, ki odgovarja na zelo pereče vprašanje. Ali ima človek res veliko težav v življenju, ali ima v bistvu samo eno? In če ima samo eno, katera v resnici je? Tako da poglej si več v nadaljevanju.
To nas pa res zanima. Poglej si.
Živjo, jaz sem Gašper in na začetku bi se rad zahvalil čisto vsaki osebi, ki je sodelovala pri organiziranju tega dogodka in verjamem, da govorim v imenu vseh in res jaz sem zelo vesel, da ste pripeljali Donalda v Slovenijo.
So Gašper thanked all of us for putting this together, for organizing and being part of this experience in this venue today. Thank you.
Se pravi, skozi pot, ki jo sam hodim, sem videl, da me v bistvu sreča več tisoč različnih situacij, v katerih pač moram na nek način reagirati. In dejstvo je, da sem tudi spoznal, da je v bistvu odvisno vse od moje reakcije, da sama stvar, oseba ali dogodek nima nobene veze in je sekundarnega pomena. Moja reakcija je tista, ki je primarnega pomena. In v bistvu me zanima sledeče. Ugotovil sem, da na nek način mene ne zajebava tisoč različnih stvari, ampak me mogoče 3 do 5 različnih energetskih variant buzerira skozi ta cajt, ki se mi pokažejo v tisoč stvareh.
Ok, zdaj ne prevedem buzerira.
Ja, dej pa attack, ne, ali pa obremenjuje.
Ok, I will do the censored version. Okay. So he realized that he doesn't have a problem with these 1,000 options, okay, of reactions, but only he has a problem with 3 to 5 different energy levels of things that are happening
to me.
That are happening to him.
But they are showing to me in 1,000 different ways.
Yeah, okay.
So basically I'm
a... znaš.
Ja, vem, sam... Ne.
Dej no.
Zakaj te ne bi malo uporabili, ko smo v odru?
No. Come on, speak English.
So technically 1,000 different attacks that I received through the years and days, and I find out for myself that there are basically only 3 to 5 different energy ways that I'm handling with, and but they are showing me in 1,000 ways. So what is your opinion about that? So, because I believe if we are thinking with our minds, we think that we have more than 1,000 hard situations, but now I believe that I have maybe 3 or 5 different ones, but they are just showing in 1,000 ways.
I agree with you. My life has taught me the exact same thing. There are a million different permutations or a million different manifestations, or if you please, a million different versions of the same thing. But you know, there are a very small number of emotional experiences: betrayal, disappointment, frustration, anger, joyfulness, excitement, inspiration. you could probably figure out maybe 10 or 12 emotional content definitions. And everything will fall into that package. I agree with you completely. So when we learn how to, let me give you an example. When we learn how to handle disappointment, which is one of those 10, once we learn how to handle disappointment, we can handle disappointment in any one of the 1,000 ways that it manifests itself in our life. Disappointment is disappointment, whether it's because you didn't get the job, or didn't get the girl, or didn't get the car, or didn't win the lottery. But disappointment is disappointment. And as we grow older, we realize exactly what you've just said. The older we get, the smaller the list becomes. And we realize there's only 3 or 4 basic emotions. And all we have to do is come to an awareness of how to deal with and handle and express those 5 or 6 different emotions. And we've got the whole game solved. That's called emotional maturity.
Zanimivo, kaj ne? Si želiš izvedeti več, potem pa le ne zamudi spletnega dogodka, ki bo 20. januarja 2023, ja, z Nealom v živo in z nama na spletu.
Tako je. In mesta so seveda zaradi te interakcije zelo omejene. Zato hitro naklikaj povezavo in ne pozabi, imamo na voljo tudi Early Bird ponudbo z kodo Slovenija. Vtipkaj v tisti del, kjer piše koda s popustom in je za tebe vse to bistveno ceneje. Potovanje do se.si je tvoja povezava. Jaz, Mihael in Neale pa se te veselimo. Veš, kaj pravijo? Da so vse dobre stvari 3.
Vse dobre stvari so 3.
No, ja. Lepo se mej, čau.
Čau.